Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Moviesnips. Today we're going to be talking about the enormous Sando Aqua monster, which lurks in the depths of the oceans of the planet Naboo in the Star Wars universe. Before I get into this, please remember to hit that subscribe button, click the bell for notifications, and give us a like. The Sando Aqua monster made an appearance in Episode 1, The Phantom Menace, and in Disney's Star Wars Forces of Destiny, an animated micro-series. These iconic giant sea creatures could grow as long as 200 meters or 650 feet in length, weigh up to 54,000 tons, and live for approximately 100 years. To the best of my knowledge, they are the largest sea creatures in the Star Wars universe. Sando Aqua monsters are non-sentient, carnivorous mammals, and because there were only a few of them left on Naboo by 32 BBY, they obtained an almost legendary status. They are very rarely encountered by Naboo's underwater denizens, and for this reason, not a whole lot is known about them. Despite their enormous size, they managed to hide in the oceanic depths of Naboo. Because Naboo's inner core structure was composed of a massive honeycomb structure filled with water, Sandos had plenty of caverns and crevices to hide in, which also allowed them to ambush their prey silently and effectively. Sandos had heavily muscled bodies that looked almost feline, with strong limbs ending in fin claws that propelled them through the depths of the oceans. Their front legs ended in hands that could be used to grasp prey. Their limbs were part flippers, part claws. Scientists theorized that they had only recently evolved from land-based ancestors. Some believe the large bulbous organ located toward the end of the Sando's tail to be a possible remnant of their ancestral life on land, though the exact function of the organ remained unknown. In order to maintain their gigantic bodies, these ravenous creatures needed to feed constantly, and they often devoured entire schools of fish. Because large-sized prey is so scarce, the Sando Aqua monster is a lazy and sluggish animal most of the time, spending 90% of its day lying dormant and stationary. Their huge mouths allowed them to swallow most other creatures of the deep with a single gulp. Using their razor-sharp teeth, they were also the only predators capable of biting through the hard shells of the fearsome opee sea killers. They were the undisputed apex predators of Naboo's oceans and lakes. As mentioned earlier, they usually lived to be about 100 standard years old. However, a Sando Aqua monster killed by Darth Vader was estimated to be approximately 932 standard years old. It is notable to mention that Vader was the only person in Star Wars history to have ever killed this massive beast single-handedly. According to the forensics droid Z67, their life cycles were incredibly slow and their population was incredibly small. Therefore, the murder of even one creature astronomically increased the chances of the species going extinct. Being mammalian, females nursed their young for about 1 year. Females bore only one pup per birth. At some point during the reign of Queen Padme Amidala, two poachers captured a baby Sando Aqua monster and hid it in the royal boathouse, provoking its huge mother to lay siege to the building. The queen herself intervened, setting the young creature free so that it could swim away with its mother. According to Gungan mythology, enchanted Sando Aqua monsters guarded the underwater city Osiris, the residence of the Goods, or the deities the Gungans worshipped. I'd like to thank you for watching my video today. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and please check out my channel for more lore videos.